we want. Now, to join them together, press BC5. Shortcut for brush, curve, bridge. Then, click on any one of the surfaces. Click on the center, then drag towards the edge. When you reach the edge, press Shift. It will form a curved line around the edges. Then, let go of the pen. Do the same for the next surface. Click at the center, drag towards the edge, press Shift, red highlight visible, let go. Next, all you have to do is wait for ZBrush to do the magic. It will form a third surface of the skirt automatically using Curve Bridge brush. Rotate around to view it from the top and bottom.